everyone. Welcome to Round My LA. As you can see, Rich and Ivy and I are on a walk. We're at one of the boating areas in the marina. Pretty cool, huh? We are so lucky. We have all these beautiful places to walk. Get our exercise. Come on, Ivy. What do you think? What do you think? It's a beautiful day here in Southern California. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful time, no matter what you're doing. There they are back there. Here they come. I'll catch y'all later. We stopped to take a few pictures. Here come Rich and Ivy. And we sure enjoyed the end. What we saw. We're gonna turn around and go back, and they put a little boaters cafe here, which is really cool. It's right here on the water, and you can only enter it from these boat docks. So we're gonna stop and get a vegan treat. We made it to the end. Here they come. Here they come. All right. And you can see where we came from. Way down there where those buildings are. So we're gonna grab our snack, our veggie snack, and we are gonna walk back. Got back to the restaurant. Our food was waiting for us.
What is this, Bavarian?
Took a few more pictures.
Who wouldn't like to go on a Bavarian yacht? Oh, Lord. Ivy, you want to go on a Bavarian yacht? Oh, my gosh. I mean, look at these boats. Incredible. Incredible.
Took a few more pictures. Greeted the girl that was waiting on us. Looked at the beautiful fall colors on the bush. And here comes the waitress with our stuff. Doesn't it look delicious? Stopped to take a few more pictures. Looked at that gazillion